Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the result color, enable button on, adjust the picture, the 3D shape, enable button on, select the Y rotation, X rotation, copy the shape, select the copy option, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, select the 3D shape, enable button on, select the Y rotation, X rotation, select the result color, adjust the color to back the color, change the to background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.